Hi guys, it's your boy Nathan Flow Rocker, and today I want to make a quick video. Now, I recently acquired this beautiful mic here. This is the Comica VM40 wireless shotgun mic. Now, I recently acquired it. I used it for a recording, but I had an issue when it came to extracting the audio. I went online. I practically did not find anybody who was able to explain how to get the audio out. So I had to do some homework, but eventually I got it sorted out. So this video is practically to show you how to extract your audio from the Comica VM40. By the way, I know the audio sounds good. Yep, this is a good mic to buy. All right, let's get straight to the video. Let's do this. Now, there was one snag I came across when I was trying to extract the audio from the VM40. I read the entire manual. I went online on YouTube. I watched close to like 15 videos, and I also went to Comica's YouTube channel. Nobody said anything about how to extract the audio from the VM40. I just presume because it has a USB output that if I use the USB output and I connect it to my computer, I will get the audio. Stories. No, it didn't work that way. I practically had to dig the entire web of how to extract the audio. So if you're having a hard time extracting the audio, you are at the right YouTube channel. Now, to extract the audio from the VM40, it's pretty straightforward. All you basically have to do is see to it that you hold on to the safety button, which is also the power button, and the record button simultaneously. So what you do is you hold on to both, and then what you find is copy media. Now, at this point, you can actually connect your USB-C cable to the VM40, and then on your system, you can easily find all your files. It's actually that straightforward. Why Comica didn't put that into the manual beats me.